Ground, Connie 977.
Connie 977, stand by. Connie 977 Heavy, go ahead.
Yes, sir. We're here at Sierra 4 and on Sierra with a piece of FOD, a large piece. I guess DHL says since we're on the taxiway, it's up to somebody else to try and clear it for us, but we'd like to have that moved before we continue.
977 Heavy, yeah, no problem. Yeah, they can't enter the taxiway. I've got a ops vehicle en route now to pick up that FOD.
Roger that.
Hey, ground, just Connie 977.
Connie 977, go ahead.
Yeah, just be advised, we sucked that FOD into one of our engines. We got the engine shut down now, and we'll be able to taxi still, but we're going to have to go back to the ramp here, just to advise the ops. Now, I don't know what came out the aft end, so they probably still need to come out here and check.
977 Heavy, okay, roger that. That's the vehicle approaching down Tango. Taxi via Sierra 4 Tango down to spot 52.
Alright, so 004 Tango. We'll wait till this vehicle gets down here. They can see exactly where we, it was the number 3 engine that that it went through.
Connie 977, we're standing by for Op 7 to take a look.
Op 7, they're waiting on you. Go ahead and check the front of the aircraft.
Ground Op 7.
Op 7, ground.
Yes, sir. So, Connie, that there is engine 3. It looks like it's still in there, pretty well threaded. There's nothing behind the aircraft or in front of the aircraft, and that aircraft can be cleared of taxi. We'll follow back and need it at a first.
Op 7, roger. Connie 977, did you happen to copy that?
I did, sir.
Alright, roger that. You can taxi via Sierra 4 Tango back to spot 52.
Okay, we copy and we'll taxi Sierra 4 Tango back to spot 52, Connie 977. Thanks for your help.